Welcome, in front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down. Swipe down once more to reveal a broader list of toggles, and then on one of the pages we should have a screen recording toggle, which for me it is right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this little window right here, start recording the screen recorder tool. Okay. And it's already going. And once you're done, you can interact with this overlay right here. Click on the square to save the recording, and this will automatically get saved to your Photos application. Now in here, you can quickly locate it under the library, and it's going to be in the movies. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.